is Richard Bera, and I'm the co-founder of Kaya.id. We are a house of brand company from Indonesia. We heard about PIF Capital, so we get to talk about what they can do for us and also what we need to help us in our fundraising effort. And so far, the session from PIF Capital has been tremendously helpful for us as a whole in our development in the future and our fundraising effort. So I really recommend for companies, startups, up-and-coming companies from Indonesia to sign up with PIF Capital so that they can help you also develop further and help you with the fundraising. So I think we're fortunate to have stumbled upon and talked to PIF Capital.